Hi children, today's topic is Roman numerals. Previous class you learnt about the Roman numerals. Once again I will give some more explanation about this topic. Okay. Roman numerals. Roman numerals means other numerals we use instead of 1, 2, 3. Other numerals we use instead of 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, these are called Roman numerals. Other numerals we used instead of 1, 2, 3 or remaining other numbers. Those numbers are called Roman numerals. These are the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals and these are Roman numerals. Roman numerals oftenly you can see in clocks and somewhere. Okay. Now you are going to learn about Roman numerals. Roman numerals. How to learn Roman numerals? Some of the rules and regulations will be there for Roman numerals. Those rules I will explain in this class. Roman numerals. In this Roman numerals only 7 symbols will be there. 0 cannot be appear. 0 cannot be appear. Only 7 symbols will be there. With those 7 we have to write the numbers. Roman numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals. Which are the 7 symbols? I will explain to you. With those 7 symbols you can write each and every number. Roman numerals. I. I means 1. V. V means 5. X. X means 10. L. L means 50. C. C means 100. D. D means 500. Last symbol will be M. 1000. This is the Roman numerals table. Roman numerals table. With these 7 symbols we have to write the numbers. I means 1, V means I, 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. With these numbers only you have to write the numbers. Take your notebooks and write down the some key points regarding this topic. Take your notebooks, all of you. Heading will be Roman numerals, key points or important points, whatever it may be. You are the 4th and 5th class children, no? So, you can write easily running note. The first point, Roman numerals are formed with 7 symbols. Roman numbers are formed with 7 symbols. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. First point I will repeat my Roman numerals, Roman numbers are formed with 7 symbols. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. This is the first point. Second point, placing a letter after 1. Placing a letter after 1 of the bigger number. Of the bigger number. Example we will take V. What I explained now, placing a letter after 1. A letter after 1 of the bigger number. Of the bigger number. 5 is bigger than 5 is bigger than 1. 5 is bigger than 1. After bigger number. After bigger number what you have to write? 1. If you will write the 1 after bigger number means you have to add it. What do you want to do? You have to add it. Example. This is only the example. V, I. V means 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. 5 after you got 1, 5 after. After the smaller number will be after bigger number, compulsory you have to add. Before bigger number you have to subtract, you have to subtract. Completed the point. Once again I will repeat the second point. Placing a letter after 1 of the bigger value means you have to add it. Example 6, that is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Third point. Placing a letter before, third point, placing a letter before one of the bigger value, means you have to subtract it. You have to subtract it. Example, the 5 is bigger than 1, 1 is smaller than 5. Then where it is 1, after or before? Before the small number, the bigger value before the small number, immediately you have to subtract, that is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. This Roman numeral, what is this Roman numeral? 4. Completed ma? Next point, 1 can be subtract only from, 1 can be subtract, that means I can be subtract only from 5 and 10, not here Hindu Arabic numerals, Roman numerals, 5 and 10. 1 can be subtract only from 5 and 10. Next point, five L and D. 5 L and D are never subtracted. 5 L and D are never subtracted. These numbers we can't subtract from any other number, whether the bigger value also we can't subtract these Roman numerals. These Roman numerals we can't subtract. Directly we have to write like this, that's all. Next point, 10 can be subtracted from L and C. 10 can be subtracted from L and C. Next point, 0 cannot be represented in Roman numeral system. Next point, no Roman numeral should be repeated more than 3 times. No Roman numeral should be repeated more than 3 times continuously. Only 3 times. Example, you are going to write 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's all. For 9 this is 8. For 9 you should not write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is completely wrong. For 9 what you want to write? This. 10 minus 1 is 9. I will explain everything, how to write the numbers also, numerals also. First you have to write the key points. 3 times continuously completed now. Continue this point also. 5, that means V. 50, that means L. Next 500, that means D. So, write down VLD should be written only once, should be written only once. Like this we should not repeat. Here instead of to write the 8, here we repeated 1 3 times. Like we should not repeat V, L and D. V, L and D. These are the important points. Now I will explain how to write the numbers. Most important table it is, ma. So, first of all, Hindu Arabic numerals 1. To write 1, I. 2, 3, 4. So, in the key points, important points I told to you, 3 times continuously we can repeat the Roman numerals, that is all. After more than 3 times you should not repeat, more than 3 times we should not repeat. So, to write 4, what you want to write? 5 minus 1, before 1 is subtract, after 1 is minus, that also I explained in the key points. Before 1 is minus, after 1 is subtract. Addition, after 1 is add, addition. To write 4, you have to write 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 V, that means 5, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 5 plus 1, 2, totally 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 3 ones already, 3 times we repeated this symbol. Again we should not to repeat. So, to write the 9, what you want to do? 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1. To write 10, directly can write 10. Already you have the symbol. Have you understood how to write? 1, I, 2, 2 ones, 3, 3 ones, that is all. 3 times we can repeat the symbol in this Roman numerals. 4, instead of 4, to write the 4, 5 minus, before 1 is the smaller value, when you are going to write bigger value before, that will be subtract. After the bigger value, after you will write the smaller number, then it will be add. 5, to write the 5, V directly symbol will be there, you can write V. 6, 5 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus 1 is 9, to write 10, 10. Have you understood how to write 1 to 10 Roman numerals? Now you can write easily 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How can you write? Already 10 will be there. What you want to write? 11. 10 plus 1 is 11, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 13. That is all. To write 13, 3 times enough. To write 14, 10 plus 4, how can you write? 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 14, 15, 10, 6. 10 plus 5 plus 1, here 10 plus 5, here 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 16. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, totally 17. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 18. 19, how can you write? 10, 9. It will be 19. 20, 2 tens you can write. Okay, that is all. Now, you learnt about Roman numerals. Next, you have to write 22, this is your homework, ma. 21 to 30, you have to write your own. In the next class, I will explain to you how to write the 22, 20, 21 to 30 and remaining all other greater numbers also how to write, and some more symbols also I will explain in the next class. Okay, thank you.